Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to reset Facebook algorithm. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply now tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. And here you will just simply clear your reset search history by tapping on the three dots, and now you can tap on delete. And this, after clearing the search history, you can just simply update the latest version of the Facebook app. After updating, the Facebook algorithm is 90% set, and if you can set the 100% of the Facebook algorithm, you can just simply update the app and restart your device. And after this, the Facebook algorithm is set. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.